Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, we will learn, what is the difference between resistance and impedance? Resistance is a measure of the opposition to the flow of AC and DC current in an electrical circuit. Resistance varies with cross-sectional area, length and temperature of conductor. Impedance is a measure of how much a circuit resists or impedes the flow of alternating current, AC. Impedance is the sum of both resistance and reactance. Resistance can be seen in both AC and DC circuits. Impedance can be seen only in AC circuits, because it depends on supply frequency. Resistance happens due to resistive property of material, whereas impedance happens due to inductor, capacitor, and resistance. Resistance does not vary with the frequency of AC current, whereas impedance varies according to the frequency of AC current. In inductive circuit, the impedance varies directly with frequency, while in capacitive circuit, the impedance is indirectly proportional to frequency. Resistance has only magnitude and is represented in ohms, and does not have a phase angle, whereas impedance does have both phase angle and magnitude. Here you can see the formula for calculating magnitude and phase angle of impedance in both RL and RC circuits. Resistance directly determines the power dissipation in the form of heat, which is real power, whereas impedance provides a more complete picture by encompassing both the power dissipated, that is, real power, and the energy exchanged, that is, reactive power. Resistance is represented by letter R, and with real numbers such as 5.3 ohms, whereas impedance is represented by letter Z, with real and imaginary values such as R plus JX. I hope you clearly understand what is the difference between resistance and impedance. For more interesting videos, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.